Daycare is a necessary evil for many working parents. This video will help you choose the best daycare for your family. Hello rising parents, my name is Edna.
And I'm Tim. If you are looking for insightful parenting tips and tricks, you are in the right place.
As some of you may already know, Tim and I have owned and operated a licensed in-home daycare facility in Washington State for over 20 years. Visit our website at secondhomechildcare.com to learn more about our childcare facility.
In this video, we will go over 7 things you need to consider when looking for the right daycare facility for you and your family. So, without further ado, let's get started.
We know that when it comes to choosing the right daycare for your child, there are many factors to consider. Some of the things you may want to think about include the age of your child, the type of care offered, how much time you're willing to spend away from your child, and the location.
Here are 7 things you must consider before choosing the right daycare for your child and family.
1. Location. Daycares can be found all over the city. Make sure to find one that is close to your home or work. Is the facility accessible by public transportation? If you live in a busy area, you may want to consider an in-home daycare. When looking for an in-home daycare, make sure it is licensed by the state.
2. Hours of operation. Make sure the daycare you choose has hours that fit your schedule. For example, if you work a normal schedule, make sure the daycare you choose is open the hours that will accommodate your work schedule and travel time.
3. Size of facility. Some daycares are very large, while others are small. Consider what is important to you and your family. A traditional in-home daycare can offer care for up to 12 children. Larger daycare centers can have over 40 children in their care. Some families would prefer a smaller environment like an in-home daycare where they can get more individualized attention and care for their children.
4. Costs. Daycare can be expensive. Make sure to find out what the cost is and if there are any discounts available. If you're on a tight budget, it's important to think about other child care options. You may also want to consider having your child homeschooled. Also, enrolling your child in a program that offers after-school care may be helpful. There are many options when it comes to pricing. Look at the cost of child care in your area and make sure it fits your budget. If you have a tight budget, consider subsidized child care or even working with a babysitter.
5. Age of child. If you have a young child, look for daycare that can accommodate children as they grow. Make sure that the facility has age-appropriate programs and activities your child can grow into.
6. Staffing. Proper staffing at a daycare is very important. If the staff at a daycare is bad, you will definitely not want to send your child there. Visit the facility and talk to the staff. You can ask for a tour of the building, visit with the director, or go through the play areas with children in tow. Talk to them about their experiences working there and how they like their jobs. Make sure that the staff are providing proper supervision and interaction with the children while you're visiting the facility.
And last but not least, 7. Do your research. Ask friends, family, and neighbors for recommendations. Make sure that you look for a daycare that will fit your family's needs, personality, and schedule. You will want to find a facility that is clean and safe. You also want to make sure that the staff are friendly and professional.
Choosing the right daycare can feel daunting. There are so many options and it can be hard to decide what's best for your family. Don't hesitate to ask questions and remember that you don't have to make a decision right away. You can take some time to interview daycare centers and find one that works well for your family.
And this concludes how to choose a daycare. Thank you for taking the time to watch this video. Be sure to check out these 2 helpful videos and goodbye for now.